Today, we're going to go through the basics of creating a workflow with Anvil Workflows. The first step is to navigate to your dashboard and click Create a Workflow. From there, we're going to upload a document. Go. And then click Let's Go. So you can see we've chosen a foster application since we love dogs here. And this document already came with some preset information on it for these field types. So you can see Anvil has already created some of the web form fields. But if we go further down the document, some of these fields don't have very helpful names. So as a first step, we're going to want to go through and rename everything and make sure it is the right field type as well. So for this name field, for example, we're going to convert that to a name. And this is all in one field. Address, same thing. That looks like we need to make it an address. This is, and we're going to connect these up. This is the city. Oops, that was a zip. Let's delete that and connect. Actually going to make this one a little smaller. Draw a new state field here. I'm going to call this state. And we'll go back to drawing this one. So this is back to connecting these up. Make a state field. Make a zip field. Okay, these are more phone numbers. That looks good. Email looks good. And then rename some of these. So, oops, over here, we're going to name this How did you find out about our foster program? And the first step, we'll just want to make this long text. The first step will just be going through the form and sort of assigning the correct field types and making sure everything has a label or a name that we can understand. This is a good one to show you. These are marked as a checkbox, but we actually only want the user to be able to check one. So we're going to make this a radio group and then link up these options. And then this is undefined. We're going to call this other. We'll do something with that later. Yeah, so that's kind of the basics of getting your PDF configured. And the next steps would be the web form.